We're gonna make 4 delicious soups and stews that are great to go into your freezer for make-ahead meals. We're making tomato soup, we're making sausage, lentil, and kale. We're doing a hearty beef stew, and we're making a delicious pasta fagioli. Let's get cooking. We're making a homemade creamy tomato soup. Dice your onion. In a bowl, hand crush your tomatoes. Add your butter, onions, salt and pepper. Grate your garlic. Add your tomatoes, chicken broth, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and sugar. Lentil smooth. Add your half and half. Serve and enjoy. We're making my easy and delicious lentil sausage and kale soup. Dice your onions, carrots, celery, and sausage. Turn your Instant Pot to Sauté. Add your oil, brown your sausage, add your veggies, grate your garlic, add the tomato paste, your bay leaf, red wine, and stir. Add your cumin, red pepper flakes, thyme, chop your kale, add your chicken broth, lentils, kale, stir it all together. Set your Instant Pot on high pressure for 9 minutes. Serve and enjoy. We're making some hearty Instant Pot beef stew. Dice your onion, celery, and carrots. Cube your beef. Set your Instant Pot to Sauté. Add your oil. Salt and pepper your beef. Coat with flour. Brown your beef on all sides. Remove to a plate. Add your tomato paste, red wine to deglaze. Grate your garlic. Add your beef back into the pot, along with your veggies, rosemary, and thyme. Add your corn and peas, your beef broth. Put on high pressure. Cook for 40 minutes. Release your pressure. Stir, and you're ready to eat. Enjoy. We're making my version of Olive Garden's pasta fagioli. Dice your onions, carrots, celery. In a bowl, crush your tomatoes. Add your oil to your skillet. Add your beef, salt and pepper, brown. Add your carrots, celery, and onion. A little salt and pepper. Grate your garlic. Add your bay leaves, Italian seasoning, your beef broth, tomatoes, tomato sauce, stir. Add your water, vinegar, beans. Cover and simmer for 30 minutes. Add your pasta, cook till al dente. Serve and enjoy.